Have you ever wondered what makes websites function? Understanding HTML is key. In this tutorial, we will simplify HTML using everyday analogies. You'll be able to create your first web page by the end. Step 1. Think of HTML as a blueprint. Just like building a house, a website needs a clear structure. Next, let's break down the essential components. First, we start with the doc type. This is like the address of your house. It tells the browser what type of HTML to expect. Now, we move to HTML. This wraps everything, just like walls enclose a room. Everything inside is part of your structure. Next up, we have head. Think of this as a roof. It includes essential information like title and style. The title is like a house sign, showing visitors what's inside. Following that is body. This is the main part of your house. All visible content goes here. Imagine this as your living space, it's where guests interact. Let's add some H1 headings. These are your room names like living room. They guide visitors through your house. Use H2 for subsections, just like smaller rooms. Next, we discuss P tags. These are like furniture. Paragraphs fill your space with text, making it cozy and inviting. Now, let's include IMG tags. They're your decor, pictures that bring your house to life. Use the Alt attribute for descriptions, just like labels for your artwork. Moving on to links, the A tag is your front door. It lets people enter different rooms, navigating your site. Remember to always include a clear href for direction. Now, let's explore lists. An OL is an ordered list, while UL is unordered. These similar to bullet point lists that organize your messages. Finally, we close it all up. Using HTML, you lock the door behind you. That's your HTML structure complete. As a recap, we discussed the blueprint, rooms, and decor. You learned how to build an HTML structure effectively. Try creating your first web page today. Use these simple analogies to guide you. Share your experiences in the comments, and keep learning.